Because everybody else is
the shut-in generation.
Titles.
Yes, I think so.
Really?
I do. That is my experience with many of them.
We have raised with a degree of entitlement.
It's with many. I mean, got a trophy just for showing up.
excluded from.
Don't get off the couch very often. The millennials being the shut-in generation.
I hear it time and time again. We have a poor work ethic. We love participation trophies. All we care about is instant gratification. It's all just a bunch of noise. We live in a time where there are more distractions than ever, more stimulation than ever, more excuses than ever. So the only way to respond comes from action. Showing up every day and getting the job done. So the next time you hear someone say, "We don't work as hard as they do," just smile and say, "You're right. We don't work as hard as you." We work harder.